Hey, I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5, and we're the company that's actually building Friender. Now, for the last 3 or so years now, I've focused heavily on organic marketing on Facebook to grow my company to a multi-million-dollar company. So I've been using Facebook as the primary way to generate leads and make sales. And because I've been focused primarily on organic marketing, I've built so many different softwares that run on Facebook that help me automate the entire organic marketing process. I've built Friend Connector to go in and actually generate new leads. I built Friend Disconnector to clean my friends list up. I've built Engagement Monster to actually boost my engagement. I've built Post Profits to go in and actually turn my Facebook posts into lead generation and sales machines. I built Genius Messenger CRM to keep track of everybody in my Facebook Messenger, turn it into a sales pipeline, convert more of my leads into sales. What else did I build? I built Birthday Wisher to automate, reaching out to people on their birthdays and saying happy birthday to actually build up engagement and build rapport and build relationships with my leads. Built Meth and Evan to essentially auto respond to incoming messages whenever I'm sleeping. And there's other software as well that I've built for Facebook to actually help completely automate the organic marketing process. But what I'm doing now is I'm actually taking each and every one of these softwares and I'm building it into a new all-in-one smarter tool called Friender. What Friender will do is actually take all of these different softwares and build them into one smart platform where they're all actually talking to each other and they're all actually working together to really optimize and maximize my organic marketing needs and your organic marketing needs. Now, Friender is not ready yet. We're still in the process of actually building everything out. But if you'd like to be on the pre-sale list to get notified when we start actually pre-selling the software, then you can go ahead and just put your information in down below. I'll keep you updated on the development of Friender, and you'll be the first to know whenever it's ready for you to actually buy.